What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change the alarm sound and volume on your iPhone. First of all, we're going to go to the clock app. As you can see, I have mine right here, but if you have trouble finding it, you can always just swipe down, and here in the search bar you can just type clock. Okay, as you can see, the icon is right here. Just click on it. Then just go to the alarm right here. And we're gonna create a new one. We go click right on the plus sign up here. And for example, let's choose, I don't know, 4:53 p.m. This is just an example. And as you can see right here, we got these options. You got the repeat and the label, which you can name whatever you want. Let's say office, for example. We click done. And then here's the sound that we're going to select. We click right here. And these are all of the options that we have. We can click on each one of them to see what they sound like. Let's suppose that we like this one. Then we click the back button, and then we click the save button. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is our alarm. This is the name, office. Right now it's on. And now we want to make sure it has the proper volume for us. Okay, we're gonna swipe up from the bottom of the screen so we can go to our home screen. And now we're going to go to settings. My icon is right here, but again, if you're having trouble finding the icon, you can just swipe down from the middle of your screen. We're going to type settings. We click on the icon right here, and we're going to go scroll down right here where it says sounds and haptics. Click on that. Okay, as you can see right here where it says ringers and alerts, right now I have full volume, and that's usually where you want your alarm to be. But if you wanted to lower the volume, you can always just drag this down or even lower. But usually by default, it's just all the way up. And that's what I suggest you do. And that's basically it. I hope this helps you out. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe so I can give you guys more helpful tips.